Hello, space enthusiasts. Space explorations and launches are getting busier every month, and the failures are also increasing. In March 2025, there were 4 outstanding failures. The first mishap happened on Sunday, March 2nd, 2025. A Falcon 9 booster caught fire during landing. There was a fuel leak in the first stage booster, and kerosene sprayed onto a hot component of the engine. During ascent, because there wasn't enough oxygen to interact with the leak fuel, it didn't catch fire. But about 45 seconds after the booster landed on their drone ship, there was enough oxygen available to get into the engine compartment, and fire broke out. There was also an additional problem. A small oxygen tank caused a thrust vector control line to freeze, which led to a loss of attitude control on Falcon 9's second stage. The second mishap involved Starship, which happened on March 6, 2025. Starship blew up during the IFT-8 test flight. One theory for the failure is that the nozzle or combustion chamber failed, causing high-velocity gas to damage the other engines. Onboard video showed the engine debris departing from the craft. The gimbaled Raptor vacuum engines are partly responsible for Starship's attitude control. Without them, the spacecraft began to spin and tumble. Eventually, aerodynamic load broke the tumbling craft apart. Some have noted a similarity between this failure and that of the previous IFT-7 flight. The third failure happened again with Intuitive Machine. Intuitive Machine's IM-2 mission ended in another unsuccessful landing on March 6th. Although the spacecraft reached the surface of the moon, Athena toppled over after touchdown, leaving its solar panel in shadow and unable to recharge its batteries. It appears that the same issue might have happened again. The last failure happened on March 11, 2025. NASA and SpaceX scrapped a launch attempt due to a hydraulic system issue. The ground support clamp arm could not operate, so they postponed the mission to the International Space Station. Thank you for watching this episode, and see you next time.